Welcome back to John Cleese Cardio. My name is Max. Thanks for watching. This video is about the Kia Sportage 2016 onwards stereo. This particular vehicle had the navigation system, and we've upgraded it to have a bigger screen because that is what the customer wanted, and a wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. So if I flip the camera around and give you guys a bit of a look, here we have the Kenwood model all installed. I don't actually think it looks too big in here. Other people may decide differently, but the customer wants to be able to see the screen easier, you know, nice big maps, nice big icons, easy to use, and I think this ticks all the buttons. We keep the steering wheel controls working, and also things like the reverse camera, so when she puts into reverse, she'll still be able to see what is going on behind her and have the guidelines which move about still. So this Kenwood has HDMI on it. It's got wireless Apple CarPlay, as you can see, wireless Android Auto and DAB, and it's a real nice, easy screen to use. It looks great. It comes with a 3-year warranty at the moment when installed by us at John Cleese Car Audio, and yeah, what a difference it's made. You know, yes, it's a bit bigger than the factory system, but when it comes down to getting a stereo where you can see and use it easier, I think this ticks all the boxes. But yeah, that gives you a bit of a look at what a Kenwood DMX 9720 looks like in a Kia Sportage. If you've got a vehicle and want to get a radio upgrade for it, get in contact with us and we can get you sorted out. Many thanks for watching, take care and goodbye.